Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this pet collar. You can change the letters to any letter you like or any name you like. If you are new to my channel, I'm sharing crocheting ideas every week. Please subscribe and turn on notification. Now let's begin. These are the materials we'll be using. Now I will start with a red yarn to work our first little bow. Here we will firstly do a double circle. Then we will work 6 single crochet in a double circle. This is our first single crochet. We can put a marker here. Now we continue to work 5 more single crochet. Now we have 6 single crochet. We will then close this round. We will firstly find the tail. Then we will pull over the tail to find the removable yarn. Then we will pull over the removable yarn to close the circle. Finally, we will pull over the tail again to close the circle as tight as we can. In this way, the circle is super tight, so we can cut off the tail now. Now we will work a slip stitch through the first space to close this round. In this project, every time we close a round, we will do a slip stitch. Here a little trick is we can pull over the yarn to make the slip stitch invisible, because in the future we won't work here. Now we will chain 1 to start round 2. Every time we start a new round, we will work 1 chain. In round 2 we will do 6 increase, which means we will do 2 single crochet in each one space. And by end of this round we will have 12 single crochet. So here we finished 1 increase and we got 2 little V. And we will repeat this 5 more times. When we come to the end, we will still close this round with a slip stitch. Every time we close a round, we will do a slip stitch. And every time we start a new round, we will do a chain stitch. And we don't count this as a stitch. In round 3, in the first space, we will work 1 single crochet. Then in the second space, we will do 2 single crochet as 1 increase. And we just repeat this pattern 6 times to get 18 stitches. Now we finish round 3 and we will still chain 1 to start round 4. From round 4 to round 6, we just work one single crochet in each space. And every time we come to the end, we will do a slip stitch, and we will chain 1 to start the new round. We will repeat this to get 3 rows. Now we finished round 6. Before moving on, we can work the letters on each bow. Here as an example, I will work a letter M. Here we need to find a white yarn and start with a slip knot. You can also finish this part using a yarn needle with yarn. Now we can cut off the yarn. So here we have our first letter. You can just make any letter you like. Before moving on, we can tie some knots here. Now we will chain 1 to start round 7. In this round, we will firstly work one single crochet. Now in the second and third space, we will do one decrease. Here we just work in half side of each space. In this way, the decrease will look much more invisible. Here we will repeat this 5 more times. By end of this round, we will have 12 stitches. Now we finished round 7. Before moving on, we need to put some fillings. Also use yarn tails here. Now we will work our last round, which is round 8. Here we still chain 1 to start round 8. In round 8, we just do 6 decrease. Now we finished round 8, and we can cut off the yarn. Now we need to find a yarn needle to tie to the last round. Now, following a similar method, we can do a smile face on another bow. Now we finished our smile face, we just continue to finish the rest of the bow. You can make as many bows as you like. Here I made 5 bows. Before moving on, we need to head the tail and cut off the tail. Finally, we will work the collar base. We will start with a slip knot. Then we will work chain stitches to our desired length. Here we can measure along the neck of our pet to make sure how many chains we need to work. After measure with our pet, we will work 2 more chains. Then we need to find the 3rd chain from the hook and work 1 double crochet. From now on, we just work 1 double crochet in each space until the end. Now we come to the end. We just chain 1 to secure the end and cut off the yarn. Now we need to find a yarn needle to hide the tails. Finally, we just assemble all parts and done.